Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Today we will discuss on fact 2.2 factorization, and we will look at our third method, which is factorize using cross multiplications. Cross multiplication involving the expression in the form of quadratic expression. Okay, expression. Okay, the quadratic expression is in the form of is x square plus bx plus c, where x is unknown. Okay, a, b, and c is a number. When we refer to page number 9, module galus, okay, this is the cross multiplication method. Okay, so I'm going to show you the example of x square minus 7x plus 12. The form of a quadratic expression is ax square plus bx plus c. So, to do cross multiplication, first we need to draw the base. Okay, like this. Here we write down ax square. Next we write down plus c. And here we write down plus bx. Okay. Okay, so for these questions, x square minus 7x plus 12. We do the base first. Okay, so here, write down the bracket. Okay. The first one, we write down x square. Here we write down plus 12. And the last one, we write down 7x. Okay. Okay. X square, what is the factor of x square? X square is x times x. Okay. The factor of 12 is factor of 12. Factor is 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. Okay. But we need to choose the factor that is, when we add the factor, we get 7. Okay. 1 plus 12, 13. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. So we choose 3 and 4. Okay. We choose 3 and 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, the cross multiplication is here. X multiplied by 4 is 4x. X multiplied by 3 is 3x. The right hand side is the addition part. Here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Okay, so we need to write down we need to check how are we going to get negative 7x. Negative 7x, we get it by negative 3 plus negative 4. So in order to get negative 3, we must write down here negative, and here negative 4, we write down negative. Okay, we check it back. X times x is x square. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. Negative 3x plus negative 4x is negative 7x. So our answer would be x minus 3, x minus 4. Here is the answer. Okay. Okay, for question number 1, first we draw the base. Okay, the bracket. The front we write down x square. Okay, in the middle we write down the c plus 15. And the last part we write down negative 8x. Okay, so what is the factor of x? Square x times x. Okay, what is the factor of 15? 1 times 15, 3 times 5. No more. Okay, so we choose 3 and 5 because we can get 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. So here we write down 3 and 5. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, we cross it. Multiplication, x times 5 is 5x. X times 3 is 3x. The right hand side will be the addition part. So 3x plus 5x is 8x. In order to get negative 8x, we need to write down negative 3x and negative 5x. So here will be negative and negative. Okay, check it back. X times x is x squared. Negative 3 times negative 5 is negative positive 15. Okay, x times negative 5 is negative 5x. Negative x times negative 3 is negative 3x. So we add these two parts, we get negative 8. Okay, we get it correct. So our answer is x minus 3, x minus 5. Okay, question number 1. Okay, question number 2. Same. Draw the base. Bracket. Okay, the first one we write down x squared. Here we write down the c plus 18. And next plus 9x. Okay, factor of x squared is x times x. Okay, the factor of 18. 1 times 18. 2 times 9. 3 times 6. Okay, we choose the number, the factor that is we can add, we get 9. Yeah. So we write down 3 and 6. Cross multiply. X times 6 is 6x. X times 3 is 3x. Okay, we add it. So the 9x is positive. So here is positive and here is positive. Positive plus positive is positive. Okay, positive 3x plus positive 6x is positive 9x. So in order to get it positive, we write down here positive, here positive. Check it back. Okay, x times x is x squared. Positive 3 times positive 6 is positive 18. X times positive 6 is positive 6x. X times positive 3 is positive 3x. Positive 3x plus positive 6x is positive 9x. Okay, so our answer is the bracket here. X plus 3, x plus 6. Question number 3. First we draw the base. Okay, in the bracket. First one we write down 2m square. Middle we write down negative 9. And the last one we write down negative 3m. Right, for the factor of 2m square is 2m times m. Okay, and then we write down factor of 9 is 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. Okay, so we look at this. Can we get it negative 3 or 3? Cannot, eh? So here we have 2. Maybe we can write down here 2. Okay, so we choose 3 and 3 first. Try 3 times 3. Okay, so we cross multiply it. 2m times 3m is 6m. M times 3 is 3m. Okay, the part of addition. Okay, so how are we going to get negative 3m? We write down here negative. Negative 3m plus 6m is not negative 3m. It is positive 3m. So negative here is wrong. Okay, so it will be positive and here is negative. Positive 3m plus negative 6m is negative 3m. Alright, how are you going to get negative 6m? So here we write down negative. We follow here. Okay, okay. Try we check it back. 2m times m is 2m square. Positive 3 times positive negative 3 is negative 9. Okay, 2m times negative 3 is negative 6m. M times positive 3 is 3m. So 3m plus negative 6 is negative 3m. Okay, therefore our answer will be 2m plus 3, m minus 3. Okay, alright. Okay, when we get the answer, if we are going to check it whether we get the correct or wrong answer, we expand this answer. We expand, we will get the questions. Okay, you can try it. Okay, question number 4. Draw the base, then bracket, which is the answer. Okay, so the front one we write down 5m square. Here negative 6. Here 7m, positive 7m. Okay, 5m square, the factor is 5m times m. So we try to look at the factor of 6. 1 times 6, 2 times 3. Okay, so which one we will choose? Because we have the 5 here when we cross multiply. So we try to write down 5 here. We get 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, so we choose 2 and 3. Okay, but 2 and 3, in order to get 7, we multiply 5 and 2. So 2 we write down bawah. Sebab kita nak multiply kat sini. Okay, 3 kita write down kat atas. Okay, we cross multiply it. 5m times 2 is 10m. M times 3 is 3m. Okay, how are we going to get 7? We write down here negative. Negative 3 plus 10 is positive 7m. Okay, so when here is negative, here is minus, here is positive, here is positive. Okay, check it back. 5m times m, 5m square. Negative 3 times negative 2 is negative 3 times positive 2 is negative 6. 5m times positive 2 is positive 10. 10m. M times negative 3 is negative 3m. Negative 3m plus 10m is positive 7m. Okay, therefore our answer is 5m minus 3, m plus 2. Okay, question number 5. 2k square minus 8k minus 24. Okay, so we draw the base 2k square. The middle one we write down negative 24, and the last one 8k. Okay, bracket. Factor of 2k square is 2k times k. Okay, factor of 24 is 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Okay, there are 4 pairs. Okay, which one we will get 8 when we add the number, but we must remember we have 2. Okay, 1, kalau kita letak 2 kat sini, tak boleh jadi. Kita darabkan 1, tak boleh jadi. 8. Okay, kalau letak 2 kat sini, 2 tambah 2, 2 darab 2, 4. 4 dengan 12 boleh jadi 8. Jadi kita akan pilih ni. Which is 2 and 12. Okay, but 2, we must cross multiply it by 2k. Okay, and above one we write down 12. Cross multiply. Okay, 2k times 2k is 4k. K times 12 is 12k. How are you going to get negative k? Negative 8k. So we write down here negative 12. K plus 4k is negative 8k. So when here is negative, it will be negative. And 4k is positive. Positive. Okay, check it back. Okay, 2k times k equal to 2k square. Negative 12 times positive 2 is negative 24. 2k times positive 2 is 4k. K times negative 12 is negative 12k. Negative 12k plus 4k is negative 8k. Therefore, our answer is 2k minus 12, second bracket, k plus 2. Okay. Question number 6. Write down the base. Bracket. Front one we write down 6y square. 15. And the last one we get 27y. Okay. So now we will have 6y times y. Okay. Factor of 15 is 1 times 15, 3 times 5. Okay. We need to choose which one? 1 or 15. In order, okay, 1 and 15 ni, we need to relate it by 27. Okay. How to get 27? Can we get 27 when we have the factor of 6y? Okay. So we need to write down 6. We write down 6 here. We cannot get 6 times 1, 6. 6 plus 15 is not 27. Cannot. Okay. When we write down 6 here, 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 5, not also 27. Cannot. Okay. But we have 6 here. We write down 6 here. 3 plus 5 times 6 is 30. 30 minus 3 is 37. Okay. So we can use 3 and 5 here. Okay. 6 we multiply by 5. So 5 we write down below. Okay. And 3 we write down here. Right. 6y times 5 is 30y. Y times 3 is 3y. Okay. How to get positive? 27. Here negative. Negative 3y plus 30y is 27. Okay, so we write down here negative and here positive. Okay, we try to check 8. 6y times y is 6y square. Negative 3 times positive 5 is negative 15. Negative 6y times positive 5 is positive 30y. Y times negative 3 is negative 3y. Negative 3y plus 30y is positive 27y. Therefore, our answer is 6y minus 3 y plus 5. Okay. Right. For your homework, please do question number 4, at least 10 questions. At least 10 questions. Okay. Question number 4, at least 10 questions. Maybe you can do until J. Right. Kalau yang buat banyak tu lagi bagus lah. Okay. Thank you.